super excited that there was just gas leaking, but I think I fixed it. I don't know. As much as anything is fixed around here. So. Dicking around with it, and the blinker was just on because of all that manhandling. Fired it up, and it just started smoking out of the wires. And I was, oh yeah, can't have the blinkers on. That's what you want. Yeah. No.
Just got dead man switches all over.
So,
yeah.
One of the things that we did for young Tim's bike over here is I put an inline fuse after his battery.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a really good idea.
Might be something.
My light doesn't
idea.
stay constantly on.
Oh yeah.
Is the only thing.
You got tail light. But you might, your brake pedal might be pressed down.
It might be,
Yeah.
No, you're right. It's definitely not.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good that stays down either, dude.
When we were like, oh yeah, it works.
Nice little tune up.
Sounds much better. There's no more
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, you fixed.
Was it making some weird
Yeah,
noise?
and Tim gave me a one was just missing.
His flange was it's just rattling.
Yeah, it was
Fuck you sounds much better. That sounds the best I've ever heard a light band sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Sounds like Steve between the grid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now we're both blind.
Oh, you just got absolutely blasted.
dude. Like
I missed it.
Look away. Is that a truck? Oh, with that, I wonder if this is gonna be. Oh yeah, yeah.
Now you're
Oh,
good.
you're great.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
Oh
Little
yeah.
change, dude. I think hopefully I think my lights are fixed too. We'll see once I get jiggling. That's the right tool for the right job right
it
there.
really is. Perfect.
This is going to suck all the way up, right? I mean, if you bend the shit out of that, it's going to be up there. So, yeah, it's not a meaningful difference, I would say. How does it feel?
Great.
That's
Nice.
great. Hell yeah. Well, shall we?
Yeah.
Who knows how to get to Byron?